Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the system so the fix is clean and reversible. First, confirm your Windows build and exact NVIDIA GPU so you get the matching driver, and make a system restore point now. Once done, download the latest NVIDIA Game Ready or Studio driver and the in safe mode. The removes residual files that block reinstall. Make sure to close antivirus and heavy apps. They can interfere. Now reboot into safe mode and get ready for the full clean uninstall. You'll perform the crucial middle steps that actually restore the control panel. Run the while in safe mode and pick clean and restart so old driver remnants are fully removed. After reboot, install the downloaded NVIDIA driver using the custom install option and check clean install to overwrite corrupt settings. Once the installer finishes, reboot normally. Then open Services or Task Manager and confirm NVIDIA Display Container (LS) and related services are running. If they're stopped, start them to let the control panel reappear. You finish by ensuring persistence and fixing remaining faults. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel. If it's missing, check the Microsoft Store for the official app or rerun the driver installer. Reset any custom NVIDIA settings to default so mismatched configs don't hide controls. Make sure Windows Update isn't overriding drivers. If it is, roll back or block that update. If problems continue, perform a clean boot and repeat the and driver install. This isolates software conflicts and is the single most effective troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.